Today we're finally going to surprise the kids and introduce them to this guy here. This is Buzz. And now these kids are about to get the most unexpected shock of their lives. Of course, we don't make it easy for them. They have to go through a
scavenger hunt
to meet him.
Okay, it's for a little surprise.
I'll say so. For the hunt, we put together a bunch of clues that you see here. These clues took them all around the outside of the home and then eventually inside. Now the time has come. Let's go get the kids and begin the hunt. Remember him? Well, luckily for all of us, he is just fine and he survived. He is our next door neighbor, and that's where our kids hung out while we set up the
scavenger hunt. Okay, it's for a little surprise that's in the house. No going in the house. Don't leave Curly behind.
Come on, I'm a kid.
Okay.
Curly has to stay with you.
So here's the first one, Caleb. Can you read that?
No.
Hip hip hooray, it's a great day. Let's have some fun, solve these clues one by one to find a surprise when you're done.
Okay, so remember, we stay outside. Only grab the clue that it's leading you to, even if you see another one. They'll be in our front yard and maybe the backyard. Here's the first one. For your first clue, look for a seat where you can sit and relax your feet. Wait. Just listen. I'm gonna give you an extra little clue. It's gonna be in the front. But wait, let mommy has to go do something really fast.
Wait for mommy to get in position. Wait.
Give me like 1 minute.
Right now, Buzz is in his crate and Kenna had to run home and make sure that he was ready. While we wait, let's see what Savage is up to. Apparently, not a whole lot. And after waiting patiently for a minute, it was time to
Go!
I just gotta give props to Addison. She is such a good big sister. While the other two kids just ran off and left him in the dust, she grabbed his hand and brought him along. Thanks, Addie. Oh, never mind. Well, it didn't take him long to find the first clue.
A type of transport. It's not a car. It has two wheels, pedals, and a handlebar. Oh my god, I see another one. It's a bike.
So where are the bikes?
I love to keep your home nice and neat. I remove dirt right to your feet.
Okay, I like to keep your home nice and neat. I remove dirt.
Well, they obviously think they know what it is. What do you think it is?
Why are you giving me so many times?
Sit, enjoy, and laugh your way. One of your favorite places to play. On me, you can jump and flip the day away. Alright, what did it say?
You never know what the surprise you'll find inside. Card whales packed a hiding inside.
Hold on, what does it say? Number 6. To find clue 6, don't go far. It might be right under the car. Which car? Well, now the neighbors found it too. What does it say?
Let's keep looking, Mama. Check inside the front door.
And hold on, let me read it to the here, because I didn't understand. Let's keep looking just one more. Go check inside the front door.
Here we go.
Buzz.
Meet Buzz.
Mommy, I have a just like it. Oh, I don't know.
Meet Buzz.
Is it a girl or boy?
It's a boy.
Good boy.
Say hi, Buzz. Hi, Buzz.
We need to dress him up as Buzz.
What?
Well, how do we not dress him up
As Buzz. Can everybody say hi, Buzz?
Hi, Buzz. Hi.
Hi. Did you say hi to Buzz?
He's so cute.
Really is.
Why do you
put him
This
down.
is a golden retriever. This is just a white golden retriever.
He's a little scared because there's a lot of you. Just give him.
Addison's reaction was exactly what we were going for. It was priceless. And although Buzz probably lost his hearing for a little bit, Paco was quick to scoop him up, put him on his lap, because he just loves dogs.
He's biting Kid's fan.
As you can see, it didn't take Buzz all that long at all to get used to his new brothers and sisters. At this point, Kenna was pretty tired. Good thing we ordered some.
Coffee.
Mommy's coffee. At least he's not saying vodka. Nothing.
He better not pee on me.
What are you doing, Ass?
Careful, oh, he's smelling my feet. Do not bite my feet again. Do not bite my feet again.
As you can see, it didn't take Buzz long at all to get used to his new brothers and sisters. What the kids just learned was the reality of taking care of a puppy.
Bears. Oh gosh. Oh no! No, you stole it! No! No. That's a baby's food.
Do it that way.
With all the commotion next door, I guess the neighbors wanted to find out what was going on. And look,
Matthew doesn't even knock anymore. It's like he owns this place.
and check out these super cool kids. This is Matthew and Olivia. They live 2 doors down, and they're here to check out the new puppy. Olivia's a little hesitant, but not Matthew. He dove right in and wanted to meet Buzz.
I see them playing me mine and watching it because Olivia. And they do, when they get older, they do get
You like him, Matthew?
Olivia, don't you?
See you new
And as always, when the neighbors are here, it's time to take a dip in the pool. And golden retrievers supposedly love the water, so let's see how Buzz does in his first time in the pool.
We've got the pool heater on all day.
It's so hot.
He's not too sure.
He doesn't like it, he's trying to get out.
Not too sure. Oh, he just. Ready? See if you can swim to the edge. Watch out. Ready? Go, Buzz. He's not too sure. Oh, poor Buzz.
I'm not gonna too much.
Maybe we need to get that kiddie pool filled up.
Because you
Start there.
All right, let's see how he does in a kiddie pool instead.
Not too sure.
He got out real quick.
No?
No pool for Buzz just yet. He just wanted to run and play. But for crew, the kiddie pool sounded like a great idea.
Open the complete debate. Try to win.
While Addison and crew were in the pool, Buzz was playing in the dirt instead. After his first day at home playing with the kids, it was time to start settling down, but not before he found his voice. I tried to get him to play just one more time, but he was just done. Good night, Buzz. We're excited that you're a Cusimano and you're here with us forever.